The latest generation of Skoda's biggest SUV features a high-performance variant powered by the engine from the popular sports compact. You just have to see the unique front and back bumpers, the 20-inch wheels, and a number of black features that serve as the RS variant's distinguishing seal to tell this version apart from the other models. The frame of its grille, the covers of the external mirrors, the window frames, the roof rails, and the D-pillar all have this tone. Additionally, it appears in the Skoda lettering and the tailgate's model identifier. In addition to its tinted side and rear windows, the car naturally features 2 exhaust outlets and a reflector that fills the whole width of the model. Inside the Kodiaq RS, Skoda equipped sports seats with integrated headrests, memory functionality, electric adjustability, and red contrast stitching. Depending on whatever design selections package you select, the upholstery materials for these can change. For example, the RS Lounge, Basic, comes in suede or artificial leather, while the RS Suite uses perforated or artificial leather. Additional unique features of this model include laminated glass, stainless steel pedals, a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with RS badging, a black finished roof, and particular door sills. A 10-inch digital instrument panel and a 10-inch multimedia screen. A 13-inch screen is available as an option, both of which feature innovative welcome animation. Similar to the previous version, a 2.0-liter turbocharged block is in charge of propulsion. However, this time it is a development that enables the extraction of a maximum torque of 400 Nm and a total of 265 horsepower. In other words, it now boasts 20 horsepower and 30 Nm, much like the Volkswagen Golf GTI, thanks to the generational shift. Once more, a 7-speed automatic gearbox that cooperates with the 4-wheel drive system is responsible for processing all of that energy. With all of this, the Kodiaq RS can reach its highest speed of 231 km/h and accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in 6.3 seconds, 1/10 faster for the 7-seater variant. In addition to the highly advanced engine, the upgraded DCC Plus system includes progressive steering, brakes with ventilated discs on both axles. The 7-seater version has 2-piston front calipers, and adaptive suspension that can be adjusted in 15 different positions. The calipers are painted red. Additionally, the dynamic sound boost system comes standard, which increases the sound of the engine in the passenger compartment via the speakers. This vehicle has a plethora of features, such as the assisted drive package, Canton sound system, LED taillights with dynamic indications, matrix LED headlights with turning and welcoming functions, and a keyless entry and exit system, KESI Advanced. This incorporates automatic distance regulation, an expanded pre-crash safety system, and lane keeping assistance with traffic jam assistance. Additionally, the Czech SUV has a driving mode selection with settings for eco, comfort, normal, sport, individual, snow, and off-road.